All right, so what if you have been staking your FTM tokens on the Opera blockchain, the Phantom Opera blockchain? Now, I'm going to show you in this video how to unstake your FTM tokens and then upgrade your FTM tokens to the Sonic blockchain and get the S token. All right. Now, first things first is to come over to wallet.phantom.network now, which is a Phantom Opera wallets on web. All right, their native wallets where you stake the FTM token. So once you get on there, you have to connect your wallet first and foremost, all right, to have access. So I'm going to be selecting MetaMask as my preferred choice. You can use any other wallet option here. If you come to Wallet Connect, you have a plethora of wallets to choose from. So I'm going to be using MetaMask, all right. So if you don't have MetaMask installed, maybe you have any other wallet, you can choose MetaMask or any other wallet provider. But I'm going to be using MetaMask for this video, right? So I'll choose MetaMask like this. And once I choose MetaMask, you see I am automatically connected, as you can see here. Now, what do I need to do next? I have to unstake. I am staking my FTM tokens already, so I have to unstake my FTM tokens. So that brings me over to this. I'll come to staking and then click on unstake, and I'll have to choose the delegation where I have delegated my FTM tokens and it's been staked there. So I'll have to enter the amount of FTM tokens I want to unstake, and then I'll click the unstake button here. Now, mind you, when you unstake your FTM tokens, your funds will be available after 24 hours. So if I unstake now, I have to come back 24 hours from this time to have my FTM tokens ready for me to withdraw. All right. So once I unstake them, it will be sitting right in my wallet as FTM tokens because I have removed it from the staking pool, or I have collected my tokens from the delegator that I gave my tokens to stake on the Phantom Opera blockchain. All right. So what I'll do next is I'll now head over to my.soniclabs.com because I have already unstaked my FTM tokens. So my FTM tokens are sitting right there on my wallet. So I want to upgrade them to the Sonic blockchain right now. So what I'll do is I'll come over to my Sonic Labs and then connect my wallets. All right. I'll click on connect. I'll choose my MetaMask wallet as my wallet provider and then approve the transaction, approve the connection. And once I'm done approving the connection, I'll go on ahead to do the normal process. All right. I have done a video on how to do all of this, but I'm going to do it again in this video. So do want to follow. Like I said, MetaMask is quite heavy. You can see how much time it's taking to come up. All right. I prefer to use Rabbit Wallet, as you can see, Rabbit Wallet here, but MetaMask still does the job. It still does the job, right? It's just kind of heavy. It's that heavy machinery that is still very much efficient. It just drags a bit and still does the job perfectly. See, if I was to use Rabbit Wallet, let's see how fast and how quickly it loads, it pops up. You can see how quickly it pops up. So I'll just click on connect, and yeah, I'm there. I'm connected already. Now I'll have to disconnect again and use my MetaMask for sure. All right. So I'll click on connect. I'll choose MetaMask. All right. So I'll choose MetaMask because I don't have any token on my Rabbit wallet right now. So that's why I'm using MetaMask where I have funds to show you on this video. So I will just wait around MetaMask to, to lazy around and come up, and then we'll do our thing. Maybe I'll just rest, take a nap, come back or something. Yeah, by the way, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. The year 2025 is going to be a bumper year for all of us. I mean, I have no expectations, but of course, one has always got to look out for something great. All right. So this year is going to be a good year for every one of you in crypto. All right. Yeah. Me in. I want to get in. All right. I might just have to stop this video here because MetaMask is acting up already. All right. So, or maybe I could just do it with Rabbit Wallets. What do you guys think? Okay. I'm logged in. So I will just click on next and click on confirm. And hopefully MetaMask gets me logged in. All right. Oh. No, I'm not doing this with MetaMask. So guys, I'll use my Rabbit wallet to connect to the app and show you what I'm going to do. All right. So I'll click on Rabbit wallet. Let's start fresh. So I'll click on connect wallet. I'll choose Rabbit wallet. I think there's a clash. Choose Rabbit wallet. So I'll click on connect wallet. I choose Rabbit wallet. I'll click on connect, and there you go. So once I am connected to the my.soniclab.com, I'll come over here to upgrade. I'll click on upgrade, and it will ask me to switch from whatever network I am on onto the Phantom Opera blockchain, all right? Because my FTM tokens are sitting on the Phantom Opera blockchain. So I'll have to switch over to that. And once I'm able to switch over to that, my FTM token balance will appear here. I'll enter the amount of FTM tokens I want to bridge or upgrade over to Sonic blockchain and get Sonic tokens, right? So if I enter this, I have a minimum of 1 FTM to be able to upgrade. So I'll enter, let's say 10. Now, do well to leave a little amount or a small amount of FTM token on the Phantom Opera blockchain for gas fees, all right? So your transaction can go through. So I'll enter, and then this button here, or this upgrade button, becomes clickable or becomes available for me to upgrade. So I'll click on upgrade, and instantaneously my FTM tokens will be sitting right in my Sonic on the Sonic blockchain in my wallets. All right. So that is how to FTM unstake your FTM tokens from the FTM Opera blockchain and then upgrade the same FTM tokens over to the Sonic blockchain. All right. So that is how to do that, guys. Do want to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.